guys, so I am coming to you with this video inspired by Ariana Grande's makeup. Right now I'm just contouring my nose. I did the setting powder, foundation, all that stuff beforehand. Just doing my eyebrows, basic stuff right now. Filling them in. And I'm sorry if I sound super stuffy. I have a cold, so I thought doing a voiceover might be a little easier than me talking through a whole entire video. But yeah, I'm just filling in my eyebrows. And boom. Ooh, magic. The other one's done. So cool. And now I'm gonna go in and contour my face. Not too drastic, just a light contour. Feeling sassy. Ooh, yes. We can just dance in this. Don't take much to stand me. Okay, I'm going in with the Violet Voss Pro palette. I use Transition, hashtag, Are You Kidding Me, and Teddy Bear. Those are the colors I used. I just wanted to slow the video down so you could see what they were before I went ahead and did my eyes. So I wanted to zoom you guys in. I'm doing an exaggerated crease. I want it to be pretty dark because I'm going to put a light color on my eyelid itself. I think this look is super versatile. I actually have been doing it a lot lately. So yeah, I'm just packing on those colors. I'm pretty sure right now that is the Teddy Bear shade that I'm going to be putting on now, which is a little bit darker. I went in with the Transition and hashtag first to build a base, and now I'm doing the Teddy Bear shade, which is a dark chocolate brown. Which makes sense. Teddy bear, chocolate brown. So I'm going in with my Sinful Colors Duo Eyeshadow. It's in Shady Babe. I'm using the Rose Gold Pink shade. I saw Gabby Fancy Vlogs do this. She used the same one, so I had to buy it because, first of all, it looked gorgeous on her. And it was perfect because she was doing an Ariana Grande video and I was like, girl, I need this right now. Put it on my eyelids. Let's go. All I did was go in with the cream shadow and fill in my whole lid. Nothing super crazy. And then I just used the glitter from a different one and put that on top. I thought it matched pretty well. Only a little bit of glitter though. So next I'm going to go in with the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Flaming Hot. It's super beautiful. It's like a light purpley pink, but it's got glitter reflex in it that are like blue and purple. I don't know, it's just so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with my Studio Effects Ardell lashes. They're 231. These are my favorite. They're so pretty and dramatic. And I don't always wear dramatic lashes, but when I want to, these are my go-to. And I'm just trying not to die because the glue is annoying the shit out of me. My eyes are watering. Now I'm going in with the Jeffree Star highlighter. This is the shade Princess Cut in his highlighter. And after I put this amazing, beautiful highlighter on my face, we are done with this look. Thank you guys for watching. Love ya. Bye.
I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty.